This is Lagos Benin Express Road by Ogbemudia Farm. You can see for the past 30 minutes, everywhere is totally blocked, no movement of vehicles. And we have called the Nigeria Police Control Room. Personally, I called them for more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes, no response. I want to know where we belong in this country. I want the Commissioner of Police to see. People are stranded, no movement. You see, both sides of the road is totally empty, except vehicles that are literally parked on both sides. This is the situation we find ourselves in this country. But if it's election now, police will come out. They will come out and shoot innocent citizens. But today, we have called them to come out to answer their duty, to do their duty primarily. And it's like the hoodlums are more sophisticated and powerful than the police. This is going to be an eye-opener for all the road users. They should know that there is no security, no protection in Nigeria. If the police are called for more than 30 minutes cannot respond for a situation like this, it means the situation is hopeless. Where are the helicopters they use in the election campaign? Where are the armored tank they use on daily basis for innocent citizens? It means such helicopters, armored tank, and all the paraphernalia they use have been taken away. Time will tell.